I'm about to.
I'm recording now. Like, oh, 5, 6, 9, 10, 2.
Starting the days off in the sky. It's a Sunday night, off of the July, chilling in Daytona. Kinda wanna cry. Things seem stupid hard all the time. That's when I gazed off to my right. See my bestie looking towards the sky. All of a sudden I feel alright. And she smiled hard when I catch her eye. Makes me feel that life will be alright. That I should ease up, enjoy the night. And so I will release a deep breath, get chill. I'm strong, no hurt. Sit back and watch the fireworks. Remind me to myself it's just a little dirt. That in my life I got harder work to see. And so that I should just work on me. That's what she said. Yeah. So that's what I do. Get myself pursue. So that's what I do. Get myself pursue. Yeah. That's what I do. Get myself pursue. That's what I do. Get myself pursue.
You're not gonna be able to get her again. Prayer denials.
That one messed up nail. Show the messed up nail then. Print their nails.
That's the messed up now.
No, you just look at them off.
No, it is the messed up now.
People will disrespect you.
People will disrespect you. Oh my god, I look like, excuse me,
Man.
I look terrible.
You look
What's
terrible?
going on? It's not sexy. That's
Oh,
so sick of hearing this song. I'm never hearing it.
Don't leave. You can't leave me. Now with this beat, I'm gonna get destructive. You gon' see me. Lee. I need you, Perry. Where's Perry? Come over here. I need you here. We gon' make peanut butter jelly sandwiches over here. Yeah. Don't tell me to shut up, cause I'm on this beat and I'ma make it sound really, really unique. And I can do it every day and I can make it even sound strange. Oh, then all I need is the cardio. And not only that, let me go up in it. Oh, why? Cigarette. Alright, let's do this other song. I'm Nicki Minaj, and I'ma tell you right now, I do Minaj. If you listen to the last thing that I put up to me, it's like, That was horrible! Horrible! This is my beat. This is my beat, girl. This is my beat. Oh. She's home! So guess what you say?
Hello.
When she walks in the door,
Good morning.
you say,
Hello.
Sierra.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. I like that. It's hot! Why are you wearing that?
I'm so used to wearing stuff like this. Did I not wear my jacket like when I first met you, like all the time?
Yeah, you did. I thought there was something wrong with you.
Gosh, it's gonna be so hot. I'm too fat to wear anything else. I don't have any sweats anymore. Those are all destroyed.
Why? Because I got these, I can do that.